Peace. Coming at you live and direct from someplace in the Bronx, New York. It's Absolute from the Absolute Boss Collective, here to give you a recap of December 2020. Check it out. Well, before we get into that, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn about trading stocks and options, you want to learn about getting your mind right for this game, you want to learn the little tips and tricks you can use to manipulate the markets to get a little money out for yourself. $50 a day, $100 a day, $500 a day, $20 a day. Something from nothing. That's what we're talking about. It's really nothing. It's not nothing. It's going to be work involved with that. However, if you're interested in getting down with that, consider subscribing to the channel. Get with your boy. Get with Absolute Truth for Law and learn this game, son. Like my videos. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment. Leave a question. Let's talk, man. Let's get this money, son. Let's get this bag. All right? Stop playing. All right. Without further ado, we're going to get right into it and get into last month. December, I came home with $2,283.81. Okay? That averages out to about $456 a week, because there was 5 weeks in December 2020. Okay? You can liken that to maybe working 20 hours a week for $22, give you $456 a week. And that's what I made. The percentage on that is 3.05% on my money, okay, for the week. Now, if you consider the U.S. Bank savings rate, which is only 1%, then I did 200% over that in 1 month. So let's put it in perspective. You hear $2,200, not, it's not really, you know what I'm saying, a tremendous amount of money, okay? Yet, it's more than you got now, right? It's more than I got in my pocket right now. I don't have $2,200 in my pocket, so it's nothing to sneeze at, okay? I placed 161 trades, 11 of which were losers. Had 11 losers, yep. Okay? However, a trader's job is to take losses, okay? You can't hide the fact that there are going to be losses. You can't get away from that. There's going to be losses every now and again, all right? So you gotta consider that and man up or woman up, take the loss. I took 11 of them. Okay, only 2 of the trades I placed was over $1,000. Everything else was under $1,000. Okay, I could get a little bit better with the stats and be a little bit more direct with that. We ain't gonna do that at this time though. So bear with me, okay? I'm gonna get that information to you. All right? We're just doing broad strokes right now. I did option and stock trades. Okay, so primarily those 161 trades. Most of them were options, some of them were stock trades. Okay. My best day was on the 21st. On the 21st, I made $324.61 in 1 day. Okay, pretty decent. Okay, my worst day was 10 days later, the 31st, New Year's Eve. I lost $172.65. Now, I could have tried to manage that position to mitigate that loss, possibly even eliminate that loss. I would have probably had to catch it earlier in the month. However, the reason I took the loss was because it was the last day of the year. I was up on the week, up on the month. And a lot of times when it comes to these trades, it's primarily probabilities. Okay? There's no way that anyone can tell you if the market is going to go up or down, if it is going to hit the price that you as a trader predicted will hit or expected to hit. Okay, the market goes up, it goes down, and it goes sideways. Those are the three ways that the market moves. Yet, sometimes as a trader, you may be wrong. You might make a wrong call. Nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows. The best thing you can do is make an educated guess. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Probabilities. You want to place high probability trades. I can teach you how to do high probability trades. I can share with you how I do it. You understand? Okay. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing to the channel. Send me a question, hit me up. We can talk about your specific situation, okay? And in my specific situation, last month I made $2,283 trading, okay? Anyone can tell you, anyone that knows this business can tell you that December is what we call a light volume month. It's not a lot of activity really going on because all of the big players, the big money dudes, are not really trading. They're off vacationing and enjoying the holidays with their family. So market moves are muted. Okay. Now, even with those muted moves, I still was able to pull out 2 racks. Okay. I actually had 25, 26 if my memory serves me correctly. And when I had that and I seen the market was about to close, I said, let me close this losing position. I had already been holding it too long. You understand? So as a trader, sometimes you have to recognize when you are wrong or when there's a higher probability of you being wrong than winning. You know what I'm saying? And it's not a pride thing, man. You got to let it go. This is all numbers. Okay? The numbers talk to me and I said, hey, listen, the best thing to do is to take this loss now and move on. This is not working the way I expected it to work. So I came off with that little minimum wage salary for December. Trading stocks and options from my home. Okay? Probably was watching a movie. I usually throw on a movie midday. You know what I mean? Was with my family, was relaxing. Probably was, in my sweatpants. You know what I'm saying? So I do what I got to do. You know what I'm saying? And I make it happen. And if you're interested in learning how this can happen, you know what I'm saying? Can you imagine what you would do with an extra $2,000 in a month? Pay your mortgage, pay your car, save it, continue to flip it and bubble it, because that's what we do. We flip and bubble here at the Absolute Boss Collective. And if you're interested in flipping and bubbling and increasing your money with compound interest and day trading, holla at your boy. Get with the brother. We make it happen here. All right? Also, keep an eye out for some other videos that I'm going to put up. I'm going to put up a video where I break down my young queen, my daughter, her trading account. It's not really a trading account. It's an investment account, I should say, that I put together for her. I fund that account with proceeds of my day trades. And in 2020, I beat the S&P by about 20%. Okay? Major hedge funds, investment banks, everybody uses the S&P 500 as a benchmark. And I, from somewhere in the Bronx, New York, beat the S&P by 20%. You want to learn how to beat the S&P by 20%? Keep an eye out for that video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell so you can know when that video drops, so you can check it out and you can replicate my actions. If you're not clear on something that I'm saying here, trading options, trading stocks, short-term gains and losses, and risk management, and support, resistance, wedges, momentum stocks, volume, volatility. If any of these terms strike you as strange, if you're unclear, hit me up. Leave a question down below and I'll get back at you and we can hook up and we can make this thing happen. And I can make it clear for you so you can understand. Yeah, man. I'm going to trade you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to train you how to get this done if you want that. You know what I'm saying? I also want you to look out for the video where I break down my Webull account. Webull account I started last month. If you would like to get down with Webull and possibly get 4 free stocks once you invest $100, the link is down below in the description. Anyway, I put that account together, and I am already up 90% in that account. Okay, so look for those videos, man. I gotta, get that together, and I'll break that down for you. So what? Ain't no reason to keep going on. There's not much more. I just wanted to give y'all a quick recap on where my performance was at for December 2020. Okay, and just look out for more videos to come, letting you know about my wins, my losses, my progress, my struggles, and my initiatives here at the Absolute Boss Collective. This is Absolute Truth for Law signing out. Peace.